Welcome to SAO Digital Agency. I would like to teach you how to Photoshop using your smartphone. As a graphic designer, it is necessary that you learn the art of Photoshopping because for any flyer or any graphic you'll be designing, it is necessary sometimes that you import an image, an object from another image, which would make your graphic to be enticing and make your client happy. So firstly, what is first expected of you is to go to Play Store. Then you type this, you look for this application, Photo Layers. Then this is what is expected of you. I have already downloaded it. So then you click on Photo Layers. Then it will bring load a background image after you have installed it anyway. So load a background image. Then you click on it. Now you pick any image that you wish to from which you want to extract your object. Now this is the things that you learn in this training. You learn how to do graphic design by yourself. You don't need to pay people. As a business owner, you don't need to pay others to help you design your graphic. As a digital marketer, you would definitely need graphics for your online works. And also you may render this service to people and earn money from it. From a single graphic design, I earn as high as 5,000 naira for one design. Now imagine me having 5 designs in a week. Now calculate it in a month, how much I am getting from just graphic designing. Now this is just from graphic designing, not to talk of other skills that I possess. All these graphics you can see here are the ones that I have designed for myself, either for my company, SAO Digital Agency, or for Elite Book Club. You can see this is for SAO Digital, while okay, this is personally for me. I designed this for myself. You can see how beautiful all these designs are. So this is what you learn in the graphic designing aspect of this training. But for now, I just want to teach you how to extract an object from an image. You extract it and add it to your own image, and this is the image you'll be using. Now here you have the size, your preferred sizes. Now let's use one by one, since it's just the man that we need. Then if you want to flip, depending on how you want it, now this is where we are going. Cut, we want to extract this picture. Now let's take for example manual. Once you click on manual, it means all the size that you shade all the size that you don't want, leaving only the object that you want. This is just this is manual. Then you can also click on magic. Look at how it would perform your task for you like magic. Can you see how smooth it is? Can you see that? So this is what magic will help you to do. Can you see? Can you see? Then you can also use auto. Which will help you detect the unwanted image automatically. You can reduce the size and you can increase it depending on how you want. See, I have reduced the size here. You can see I am shading all the pattern. It is very accurate. It is very accurate, as you can see. Can you see that? You can see how accurate it is. Imagine I'm almost done with extracting an image. As simple as that. So all these things are very easy, just that we do not possess the knowledge. Okay, now let me intentionally make a mistake. You see, I have shaded this man's head. I have shaded the head. Now when you make a mistake like this, you can either undo or you repair. Now this is repair. You can see I am repairing all these sides, just like erasing. I am erasing. Then once you are done, you click on what's the what you want to use again. You can see. You can see how yeah, I have intentionally made a mistake again. So you can just undo, understand? Then use magic. You can see how it is helping me automatically, as easy as that. Now I am like done with extracting the image. Now you click on big big color to know whether it is accurate or not, and as you can see, it is accurate, although there are still the edges are not that accurate yet. But for the purpose of this class, I don't want it to be too long, so I'll just click. You can also zoom it. Okay, you can also zoom. You see, now when you zoom, notice the mistakes that you've made. Look at the mistake that I've made at the edges. That's why I said it's not that accurate. Can you see it? That's why I said it's not that accurate. You can see the cloth here is covered, so you can just repair this like this. See, I have repaired that. Even the hands here. Okay, you can easily do that. Then let me just leave the remaining edges. You click done. Then you can make it as smooth as you wish, so that it will be perfect. Can you see the mistake I made earlier? You can see that the mistakes are gone. Just this side remaining, just the hand. Let me see this side. That is the only mistake I can see for now. And here, although there are still some. So then you click done. Then save. Finish. You have successfully extracted an object from an image. Now let's add it to another image. Now this is what we have extracted. Can you see? This is what you have extracted. Now load on image. Let's add this picture. Let's add it to this. Yes, let's add it to it. Let's use 3x4. Okay, let's do it this way. All right, then you click on done. After you have cropped it, you can see the image is a little bit it's blurry a little bit, so you can just go to color, then reduce the blur. You can see how perfect it is now. You can see. So you can also use all these color effects depending on what you want. You can see. Okay, so I have used my original color, except no, there's still one missing. Okay, that should be this. Okay, now I think it's perfect. Now you go to add image, add photo, then you add your Photoshop. You can use this also. Now done. You can see. Can you see? If not for the mistake I mentioned that I made earlier, no one would even notice that I have made any mistake. You can see. Here is my Photoshop. You can see how perfect is this. Now let me delete this for instance. Then let me add the image that I have not photoshopped before. You can see how it looks like. It is obvious that you added an image, unlike when you remove this and add the one you have photoshopped. So you can do it for almost anything. As a business owner, I'm sure you would need it. Oh, I just flipped. Can you see? Isn't it perfect? It's perfect. So here I have my Photoshop. Then you click on save. Saved. So when you check your image, you have your picture now. So when you check your gallery, when you check everywhere, you will see this in your in your gallery. Then there's another thing beautiful about it. You can always use the picture you have photoshopped. You can always use it for anything else. Now this is what I want us to do. Pick a particular picture that you know that you would use, like personally. Pick your own picture, then not your picture per se, but an image that you use throughout this training, because you will still use it for ebook cover, that is mock-up cover. We'll use it for video adverts, we'll use it for graphic design. So you are expected to do this. Then we'll be using the pictures that, we'll be working on one picture continuously. So we'll use this. I use this for this. Then during mock-up again, I'll use this image. During video advert, I'll use this. Then during graphic design itself, we are still going to use what we have extracted. So this is just all about photoshopping using just an application, photo layer. So this is one of the ways, just one of the ways of photoshopping with your mobile phone.